Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a review. Hey, look at that. We got a unboxed sneaker. I haven't even opened the package. That's gotta be a first one on this channel. I always do the fake unboxing. I open it on camera, but then you see the on-field footage and you can already see that I already, taking the sneaker out of the box and, oh, that's wifey come. Oh man, yo, look at that. Look at that little disappointment. Look at that little traitor over there. Look at that. She joined me, wanted to be with me when I do the review, but as soon as my girl comes home, she wants... Louise, kan du bara släppa ut Stella? But yeah, you saw me without pants. I'm happy for you. God damn. The hell? Okay, this is why I don't do the unboxing. Kablamo. Yo. I like the box. So this is actually the first impression. Yo, chrome paper. Yo, these are clean. Yeah, this is why I don't do the unboxing. I'm not organized at all. I don't have a workstation, yo. If I seem a little bit more happier and more excited than usually, it's because it's sunny over here in Sweden. Like, we haven't seen the sun in like maybe 6 months, I think, which is crazy, but yeah, that's what happens when you live in Sweden. Anyway, this is, of course, the Jordan 4 Abundance, aka SEAFOAM Sail. It's a women's only sneaker. And I'm probably the only one excited for these. I did a video about it. It has only 500 views. And that normally indicates that nobody gives a flying. But I was excited. I actually thought they were gonna sell out because it is a Jordan 4. But yeah, they didn't. They are still currently available for retail, which is crazy considering, most Jordan 4s, they do fly off the shelves, but this one didn't. And I think I know why. It's because the chrome lace locks that you see, a lot of people have issues with those. Same thing with the Frozen Moments Jordan 4s. I actually like those ones as well. Let me know in the comments. Are you liking these? Am I the only one? Am I insane? A little bit hard to decide now that I have them in hand. Let's just take out the other one as well. Also, it's so hard. Can you hear me over the paper? I'm not quite sure. But also, it's so hard to, there's so many sneakers dropping currently. March is crazy. February was crazy. And I think, just the sheer competition of which sneakers to buy this month, you do get picky because there's so many releases right now. Oh, they're dope, right? The material is not that premium. It does look a little bit plastic. It is what you would normally expect from a regular Jordan 4 release. And although something that is very unpopular, they are in women's sizing. So if you have bigger feet, you're not going to be able to wear these. And one thing that I don't like about women's only, there's a lot of pairs that I really enjoy, but the shape, it's the old shape, it's not the new shape. Women's sizing, they don't have that Jordan 4 SB shape. They are slightly more uncomfortable. They are updated, but the men's version is a lot more comfortable than women's version, and I don't know why that's the case. Why is it so hard to just do the new shape? I don't understand why they don't do it. Yo, this one, look at it. Look at it. Can you see it? It's creased up. This pair. God damn. Okay, so the quality control is not that good on these, at least in my pair. And since this is my first impression, you know, I haven't tried these out, you will see the on-feet footage on the side there. But currently, while I'm holding them, I don't know how they're gonna feel. I hope they're comfortable, but my guess is they're not gonna be better than the men's version, which is, yeah, that's a bummer, but we'll see. So of course you got the SEAFOAM green color. Basically the entire sneaker is covered in that. You got the unpopular chrome lace locks over there. You got the sail midsole and outsole, a little bit of SEAFOAM green on the outsole as well. The tongue patch is really dope. It's sail as well. You see the Flightman logo right there. And the back of the sneaker, it's also SEAFOAM with the Jumpman logo pointing out. No Easter eggs, and I don't think any extra shoelaces are included with this one. Let me check just in case. Nope, no extra shoelaces. Yo, if you release a Jordan 4, they should all have the extra shoelaces. I mean, the retail price is crazy. Just include the extra shoelaces, Jordan brand. What are you doing? So these dropped on the sneakers app March 8th. Retail price was 209.99 euros. And let's talk about some stock numbers. We are always interested in stock numbers on Sneakers Creepers. Sneakers EU had 10,265 pairs loaded. And Sneakers US had 43,772 pairs loaded. Soulbox had a raffle. What? They had a raffle? That's crazy. I wonder if they sold out. How the hell did Soulbox have a raffle? That's crazy, yo. That's basically it for the stock numbers as well. Yeah, let me know. I like these. Yeah, I made up my mind. I enjoy these. I'm gonna keep them. I have several hoodies that they're gonna look good with these. Let me know your thoughts in the comments as usually. And you know, I'm gonna go out now and enjoy the weather and record some on-feet footage. I'm just waiting for the sunset. It's gonna be amazing. So tag along and let's do some on-feet by the lake while the sun is setting in the background, and just play some lo-fi music courtesy of my boy Sindri in the background, and just enjoy this sneaker. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.